One of my favorite quotes, especially when I'm going through something, is God will put you back together in front of those who broke you. So if you're going through something right now, listen up. This message is for you. Now, when you first hear the quote, you might think that it's talking about relationships, but it's actually talking about life in general. You can apply this philosophy to anything that you do. You can apply it to your job, situation at work, your situation at home, your situation in general, because God will put you back together when you most need it. So just keep putting in that work, believe in yourself, never quit working towards pursuing your passion and goals. Hi, if you are a first-time viewer or a returning viewer, thank you for checking out my channel, Chasing Passion. My name is Milton. At Chasing Passion, you will find motivation, inspiration, and helpful tips to help you pursue your passion and achieve success in life. As a new channel, you taking the time to like this video and watching it to the end and subscribing will be greatly appreciated. So thank you, and let's get back to the video. I mentioned how this quote can apply to life in general, so let's talk about that. So imagine you have the perfect job, or a job that you think is perfect, and just out of the blue, the business goes under, or they just have to lay people off due to the economy. You have just lost something that you felt was very important to you. And it probably was, because it was helping you pay your rent or pay your mortgage or put food on the table. But don't let that situation change you to the point where you don't realize that your purpose, you are here for a reason. You have a purpose. And what that purpose is will come to you. And when it does, just keep pursuing it and working to achieve it. So don't let things that happen to you in life or just in general stop you from pursuing your passion, your dreams, and looking forward. Because that job that you have lost or got fired maybe wasn't meant for you. So move forward and keep pushing towards your dreams until you achieve them. Your past does not determine your future. So whatever happened yesterday, a week ago, or even a month ago, don't even think about that. Don't worry about that. That's in the past. You always keep looking forward. You go knock on those new doors and a door will open. So if you lost a job or you left a job, go knock on doors and you will find a job that was 10 times better than the one you previously had. So keep working, keep striving. Don't let your past be your future. After this video, I want you to take the time to think about what your dream job would be. Think about something you would do for free. More importantly, think about what you would pay to do. Then decide how to do it and get paid to do it. Now that you know what to do after watching this video, please take the time to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. Keep the faith, believe in yourself, and like always, have a good one.